something is about to swallow the pillars of creation, or at least it looks that way, and the story of why it only looks that way is stranger than the picture itself. What you're looking at is M16, the Eagle Nebula, sitting about 6,000 light-years away in the constellation Serpens. That number is worth sitting with for a second. 6,000 light-years means the light in this image left before the Egyptian pyramids were built, before written language existed. The whole deep red glow spreading across the frame is a single emission nebula called IC 4703. It's a cloud of hydrogen gas that's been lit up from the inside, and it spans roughly 70 light-years across. Now look right in the middle of that blue-green cavity. See those thin, dark fingers rising up into the light? Those are the pillars of creation. The same ones in the Hubble photo that's been on dorm room walls since 1995. They're columns of cold gas and dust, and they're being carved away by radiation from a cluster of young stars called NGC 6611, sitting just behind them. The pillars are tall. The biggest one is about 4 light-years from base to tip, roughly the same distance as from our Sun to the next nearest star. They're not just pretty, they're active. New stars are forming inside them right now. Now look over to the upper right of this view. There's a tall, dark spire reaching up toward the pillars from below. That's called the stellar spire. Like the pillars, it's a dense column of cold gas that survived while the material around it got blasted away. Think of it like a sandcastle. The hard-packed parts hold their shape longer while the looser sand erodes. The stellar spire is doing the same thing, just on a scale that takes millions of years instead of one tide. And yes, new stars are likely forming inside it too. Here's the part that sticks with me. Some astronomers suspected a supernova had already destroyed the pillars of creation thousands of years ago. We just can't know yet, because the light telling us they're gone hasn't reached us. What we're seeing right now might already be history. The universe keeps its secrets behind the speed of light. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.